Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about Nord Password Manager, one of the best password managers for you. It is absolutely safe and millions of people use this as their password managers. Okay, so first of all you have to head over to nordpass.com and then you have to choose whether you want to use it for your personal work or business work. So let's tap onto personal work for now. So after tapping onto personal work, here you can see this 2-year plan and 1-year plan. You can compare all the features. They basically offers mainly two types of offers, and the other one is absolutely free, which costs no money. So let's compare them, three of them. Let's compare three of them. Let's start it with premium one, which is $1.99 a month. So basically it is $23.8 for the first 12 months if you buy for the whole year in advance. Okay, it has only one user account, like only one user can use this. You can use 30-day money back grant. If you don't like Nord Password Manager, you will get 30-day money back in the 30 days. You can autosave and autofill. You can secure your storage, access on multiple devices, password held, data breach scanners, file attaching, email masking. On the family of package, it is only $3.69 a month. Here you can see this, and if you buy it for 12 months you will be charged only $44.28, and if you don't buy for the whole year it will cost you around $71.88. Let's check out the family services. This is almost same as the before, like the premium one: autosave and autofill, secure storage, access on multiple devices, password held, data breach scanner, file attachments, email masking. So this is almost the same as the premium offer, but the difference is only 6 user accounts and 1 user account. And on the free offer you can check out these ones. It will only support autosave and autofile and secure storage. You cannot access on multiple devices, personal password held, and etc. You can attach files if you wish to. All other things, just go to NordPass Manager and log in. You can also check out the business offers from here. You can just check them out. Now at the top right corner you can see this login option. You can just simply log in and start using Nord Password Manager. Also you can get this deal at the top right corner, which is 20% off the business plan with the code, this one, passday20. So this was the review of it. Now let's just log into it. Now you can have to download NordPass if you don't have the site, okay, like app. Now you can create, after downloading it to your extension, you can use it for many purposes. For example, you can save your passwords, you can create notes and etc. just with Nord Password Manager. So that was pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.